And next topic is analysis of clocked sequential circuit. Okay, this is the problem. For the given circuit, find the excitation table and output equations and transition table and state table and draw the state diagram. Okay, this is the given circuit. Here we observe this is the first flip flop and this is the second flip flop. In this circuit we are using the two flip flops, so it consists 2 bits. Okay, that is Q1 and Q2, 2 bits. Okay, 2 inputs. Here we are using the 2 flip flops, so it consists 2 inputs. Okay, 4 combinations is there. Okay, here X is the given to the AND gate. Here the first find out the D1 D2 equations. First find out the output equations. Okay, first find out the output equations. Here D1 D2 are the 2 flip flops. The D1, here the what is the equation here? This is X is considered here and this AND gate input is consists Q1 bar and finally X Q1 bar is there. And next this is the input to the here. In this is the X input and this AND gate is consists Q1. This AND gate is X Q1. Okay, this is comes to here X Q1. Okay, here this X is connected to this AND gate. In this AND gate X, this input is connected to the Q2. Then finally X Q2. Here this OR gate is connected to the here X Q2. In this output is X Q1 bar plus X Q2. This is the OR gate output. This is the D1 of the input. And come to here D2. What is the input here? X Q2 is there. X Q2. In this input is X Q2 plus X Q1. This is the D2 input equation. Okay, first write down the D1. What is the equation here? X Q1 bar plus X Q2. Okay, and next D2. What is the D2 input? X Q2 plus X Q1. Okay, these are the 2 equations and Z is output. Here Z inputs are Q1 and this input is connected to the Q2. Then finally this is the AND gate, that is Q1 into Q2. Okay, these are the equations. Here these are the Q1 and Q2 are the inputs. Both are the inputs. Okay, in this this is the logic diagram and these are the equations. Okay, output equations. Output equations is completed and next find out the transition table. Okay, in transition table we are using the 2 inputs. They are the Q1 and Q2. In this X is the input. We check the X input is 0 and X input is 1. Okay, here first you consider Q1 is 0. Okay, and here X is the 0. The case 1. In case 1 Q1 is 0 and Q2 is also 0. Here X is considered 1. Okay, here first find out the D1. Here we are using the excitation table also. Here in this the logic diagram we are using the D flip flop. So what is the D characteristic equation? The characteristic equation is D equal to Qn plus 1. Okay, this is the characteristic equation for D flip flop. Okay, here x equal to 0. First you check the x equal to 0. What is the transition table appears? Here d1 equal to, what is the d1 equation? Q x into q1 bar plus x into q2. That is x value is 0 into and q1 bar. Here q1 is 0, q1 bar is 1 plus x is 0 and q2 is 0. Then finally q 0 into 1, 0 plus 0, that is 0. This is given to the next state, that is the d1 equal to q1, that is 0. Okay, so find out the d2. Here d2 equation is x into q2 plus x into q1. Here x is considered 0 into q2 is 0 plus x is 0 and q1 is 0. Here also 0 plus 0 0. The characteristic equation d equal to next state, that is equal to d2 equal to q2. In this q2, the next state q2 is also 0. This is the next state and this one is also next state. Okay, and next here write down the transition table. Transition table. Okay, in this present state and next state, if x equal to 0 and x equal to 1, and next output here q1, this is the transition table. Present states are q1 and q2. Next state if x equal to 0, in that q1 and q2, and next state if x equal to 1, that is q1 and q2. Here z is the output. Okay, and here the q1 q2, first case is q1 0 and q2 is also 0. In that case, if x equal to 0, in that d1 is 0. Here by using the characteristic equation d equal to qn plus 1. Qn plus 1 is the next state, that is d1 is 0 and here the q1 is also 0. And next d2 is equal to q2, that is d2 0 and q2 is also 0. Okay, this is the case 1, and next is the if x equal to 1. Okay, and here if x equal to 1, case 2, if x equal to 1, and next q1 equal to q2 equal to also 0. Both are 0 zeros. Okay, in that d1 equal to, what is the equation here? X into q1 bar. Here x is 1, q1 bar is, this is 0. The complement is 1 plus x into q2, that is x value is 1 into q2, which is 0. That is d1 equal to 1 into 1, 1 plus 0 is 1. Then finally d1 equal to q1 by using the characteristic equation. The next state q1 is 1. Okay, and next d2, here d2 equation is x into q2. Here x is 1 into q2 is 0 plus x into q1. Here x is 1 and q1 is 0. In that case 1 into 0 0 plus 1 into 0 0. Then finally d2 equal to q2 equal to 0. Here in case q1 equal to q2 equal to 0, if x equal to 1, then q1 is 1 and q2 is 0. Okay, this is the next state outputs. This is the z output. Here q1 into q2, that is 0 0 0 and 0 1. Here 0 into 1 0, and next 1 into 0 0 and 1 into 1 1. This is the AND gate. z equal to 1. This is the transition table. Okay, and next transition table is completed, and next draw the state table. Okay, next see the state table. This is the transition table, and next see the state table. In state table, here these are the binary numbers. 0 is here 0 0 assign the state assignment. Here state assignment, A is assigned the 0 0, and B is assigned the 0 1, and C is assigned the 1 0, and D is assigned the 1 1. This is A, and this is B, and this is C, and this is D. This is the state assignment. Coming to the state table, here first one is present state, and next state if x equal to 0 and x equal to 1, and next see the output, that is z. Okay, this is the state table. Okay, in that here the 0 0 is A. If x equal to 0, then next state is 0 0. 0 0 is A, and next in 1 x equal to 1, in 1 0 is C. Okay, here z output says there is 0, and next 0 1 0 1 bit is 0 1, the present state is B, and next 0 0 is A, and next 1 0 is C, then output is 0, and next 1 0 is assigned the C, 0 0 assigned the A, and 0 1 is assigned the B, and output is 0, and next 1 1 is D, and 0 0 is A, and 1 1 is the D. This is the state table. In that output is 1. This is the state table, and next see the state diagram. State diagram. Here states are A, B, C, D. 4 states is there. Okay, A, B, C, D. Present state is A. If x equal to 0, then next state goes to the A, that is the cell state. Here input is 0, output is 0. So that is 0 by 0. And next if x equal to 1, the next state goes to the C. See here input is 1 by 0, input by output. Okay, and next B state, if x equal to 0, the next state goes to the A. This is the B state. Next state is goes to the A. In that 0 input and 0 output, that is 0 by 0. Okay, if x equal to 1, the next state goes to the C. Here the input is 1, output is 0, that is 1 by 0. And next coming to the C state, x equal to 0, next state goes to the A. Input is 0 by 0, input by output. And next x equal to 1, in state C, next state goes to the B. Here input is 1, output is 0. Okay, and next state D. Okay, D is here. If x equal to 0, next state goes to the A. Here the input is 0 and the output is 1. And next if x equal to 1, the next state goes to the D, that is the cell state. Here input is 1, output is 1, 1 by 1. This is the state diagram. This is the overall about the analysis of sequential circuit. First the logic diagram is a, then next find out the excitation table. By using excitation table, first find out the output equations. Output equations is a, and next write down the what are the equations here. Okay, and next find out the transition table, and next state table, and next draw the state diagram. Okay, thank you.